Over here on our left is our sidebar. This section is where you can see your folders, files, and images. If you right-click on the sidebar, a pop-up appears. We can add a new file. I'm going to name this one plants.html. We can add a new folder, such as images. And we can even rename our files and folders. So I'm going to take this image of Cody and I'm going to rename it to Cody Smiles. Another cool thing we can do is move our files and images into folders. So here I'm going to take the image of Cody Smiles and move it to our images folder. We also have our featured download button, which lets us download our project. We can even delete.